Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am currently in Denver with my friends Kristen and Hannah, and we came to see 303, who is from here, and they are doing a big 303 day on March 3rd. So we figured as big fans we should come because it'd be so fun. They're such a fun band to see live. Band? Can you call them a band? Can you call 303 a band, or are they just like two dudes? So they're a band. I am going to be recording the rest of this video on this Polaroid because I wanted that early 2000s feel. They came out in 2008, so it seemed very fitting to have that nostalgic kind of grainy square video. So I actually just got this from Target not too long ago. It was like 30 bucks and it gives the most nostalgic looking video. So I will only be having this as like good quality, and the rest will be on the like retro-y. Ooh, I hate calling it retro because it wasn't that long ago. I'll have it on my other camera, so you will go to Meow and Speakeasy and the show and all these different things with me. If you want to see high quality pictures and videos, you can look on my Instagram. I will have a Denver highlight so you can see everything there. Otherwise, everything's going to be on my little Polaroid, and it's going to be so fun, so cute. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you do that. And now we're just going to let the Polaroid take it away. Bye guys. So here we are at the Charlotte airport. It looks like the footage is straight out of 2008, respectfully. Kristen had a really cool tiger outfit on while Hannah and I were in only our sweats, but we were still very cute.
Right, what you're here for. 2, 3.
While we're sitting up here doing that pilot stuff.
Once Kristen had successfully untangled my hair because I'm a feral rat, we got settled. There was a little bit of turbulence, so it took us a second to get our Bloody Marys, but when we did, I was ready. Just a casual spoiler, there's a lot of my feet in this video because I never know what to do with my hands or my feet. I'm also only 5'8". My friends make me look like I'm a giant. I just learned about the Denver, Colorado airport conspiracy theories. I'm really sad because in this baggage claim, I could have seen a talking gargoyle, and that's really unfortunate. Our hotel was right downtown in Denver, so we stopped in Hard Rock Cafe and got a little bit of lunch. And then we went back to our hotel, we're able to check in, and then we got ready for Meow Wolf. So I'm going to let the Meow Wolf footage kind of speak for itself because the sounds in it were very cool. So after Meow Wolf, we went back to the hotel, did a quick change, and went to a Speakeasy. Kristen's boyfriend had been here before, so it didn't feel as sketchy when she was taking us down a abandoned alleyway. It is a really cool Speakeasy. I will put their Instagram handle down below. If you care to check them out, you can make a reservation. It's very cool. You ring a little doorbell. I don't know. The area was super cute. Those little deviled eggs were so good. We stayed at the Magnolia Hotel. It was very cute, a little cute boutique hotel, right smack dab in the center of downtown Denver. My camera does not do well in low light, but we loved it. We thought it was sold out because of the concert, but there was also a cryptocurrency convention, so that was the main reason, but we loved it.
See my favorite couch? Perfect.
So Friday morning we woke up and got a little bit of breakfast at our hotel. I was obsessed with these butterballs for no reason at all, but they're so cute. And I am getting ready. This is just my bag, my travel bag. It is actually perfect. My mom got it for me. We saw only the courtyard of our hotel room, but it was very cool. Kristen makes a lot of dad jokes and said, "This hotel rocks" because of these rocks. I almost blocked her.
Okay, outfit check. Cute. My like doesn't show up. Yours at least has pattern to it. I know. Cute. Love it. Day 2 in Denver. I have no sense of where I am in the frame at all. And that was the beauty of cameras back then.
So once we were ready, we went and hit some of the shops. I saw the really cool downtown Denver sign. I love that. Yeah, and we just went to this little outdoor shopping mall. It was cool. We went into Francesca's, and next you will see a little Hot Topic. Looks very cool on the retro camera. Oh my god, not retro. It looks really good on the camera. And next you will see my little BFF.
Yeah. Hi. You're so sweet. Oh my goodness. Just a baby.
We went to Yard House for lunch. It has like the biggest selection of beer. I got the vampire tacos because that's very on brand for me, but they were really good. They had cheese on the outside of them and like pork and just, I don't know, it was so good. I love this meal so much, and I think I had like a pineapple cider. Leave it to me to go to a beer place and get a cider, but whatever, we're fine. Here's some little shots of downtown. It's very cute. And then I loved how cryptic and winding our hotel was. So this is the hallway.
All right, Kristen, show us the Sauce Daddy fanny pack. Okay, and show us the main jacket. Okay, we're ready. Hannah, yes, Elder Emo, cute, love it. And then there's me, Sauce Daddy.
So the show was at Mission Ballroom. It was sold out. There were so many people. It was so fun. If you hate blown out audio, go ahead and skip ahead because it's bad.
Make a drop. Bodies are moving. Y'all wanna tune in to see what we're doing? So call up the 90s and give them a ring. Tell them find yourself the next big thing. Happy 303 of you. Rock along with us. Put your fucking little crazy now, rock the field. Come on. What a fucking beautiful Friday this is, huh?
Okay, I know that audio is wild, but 303 never disappoints. Here I am back at the hotel, really feeling those vodka Red Bulls. I lost my voice completely. We actually were in the right place at the right time, and somebody just gave us these koozies, which was great because all of the merch was sold out, which was not great. So the next day we went to Noodles & Company. I'm just showing you here this thing about the elevators and how they're historic. And then we were getting ready for the day. We had to rally, and we followed Jack Vanek on Instagram, and she was at Union Station at Terminal Bar. So we went to Union Station to Terminal Bar. Even though she wasn't there anymore, it doesn't matter. But like, this place was so cool. The drinks were really good, and the vibe was just immaculate. So even though I didn't get to see actual snow, we did see these little snow lights, and I loved them a lot. They were very cute. Again, my camera doesn't do great in low light. We went to Sushi Den and had some of the best sushi I've ever had. 10/10 would recommend. I also didn't really know how to film in here because it was dark, so I had a camera light on, and we're just living our best influencer life. That's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.